Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have a smartphone, a messaging app, and internet connection, then this is for you. You will get paid by receiving messages on your phone, guys. This is my earnings so far, and I believe I'm going to make more money from this site. So I just discovered this site, and it has been paying. You can get your money in PayPal or Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum. So like you get paid by receiving messages from this particular company, and the minimum amount you can withdraw is 2 euros. So they pay you through euros. So like you are thinking that why are they using your number to send messages? Then let me show you the reason why they want to pay you by receiving SMS from them. You can see that they say that the reason is that a lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS text messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure proper delivery of their SMS routes. You actually get paid because we use your phone number to provide such testing services, and mind you, they are not scammers. Like your sim is fine, like nothing is going to be deducted from your airtime. I have friends that have already tested it, and then they've already withdrawn from this particular site. So before we proceed into this video, my name is Esther, and I make videos on how to earn money online, legit ways to earn money online, and then videos about personal finance and development. So all what you have to do is to go to your Play Store and search for the name of this particular site, and the name of this particular site is Money SMS. So Money SMS, because I have it on my phone now, like it is showing this way. So if you are just downloading it, then you download it and then you open the app. So after opening the app, I've already registered. Then you are to input your phone number, then your phone number, your email address, and this referral code. If you do not put the referral code, you will not get your money, like you will not get your first money on the site, and then they are going to pay you 0.50 pounds. Sorry, 0.50 euros. They pay in euros, so you are going to get that. If you do not input the referral code, you will not get it. I'm not getting anything from these guys. And then after doing that, then you are going to get to this place. After getting it, you are going to get this, and then you will input the referral code. After that, then it will show you this. They will send you a verification message that you should enter the code. After entering the code, then it will bring you to this particular place. Then you will see your referral you will see your money on the app. After doing that, then you will click on this particular link here. You click on it, because this is just the demo app. So when after clicking on it, you will click on it, then it will take you to your Chrome browser, to where you will download the main app. This is not the main app, it's just the demo app for you to see what you will do on the site and for you to register on the site. So it will take you to the main site. So after taking you to the main site, it will tell you to download it. After downloading it, then you can see download APK. So I have it on my phone already. You see, just after downloading it, you can see after downloading it, then you have the original version of the app on your phone. So this is the original version of the app. This is the demo. This is the original version of the app on my phone here. So after I entered my login details, I've already registered on that demo account, and I've gotten my money in euros. So everything is going to show here, and they will tell you to enable getting messages from this app. So after enabling it, I get one message. I get me one message, and they paid me 0.02 euro. Yeah, guys. So after I've already earned up to 2 euros from this site, I'm going to place my withdrawal sooner. It will be this week or next week. I'm going to withdraw live from this site, guys. So I want you to rush this offer, and I want you to register. So get paid by receiving messages on your app. All what you just have to do is make sure that your internet is on, and make sure that the app is running on in the background, so you will get messages, and you will get messages like this. Like, you don't have to be panicked when you get messages like this from them. Here's my messaging app. Yes, so we just get messages like Google confirmation. Like, you can see, this is the type of message you'll be getting from that particular app, and you'll be getting paid in euros, guys. So I want you to jump into this offer and make sure you enter the referral code to get started with your money. Like, you will get 0.50 euros, then after that you start getting 0.02 euros till it's in pile up. They can send like 4 messages per day, or 5 or 6 or so it depends on how many messages you receive per day to add up to your earnings. So thanks so much for sticking to the end to watch this video. See you in my next video.